Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Ultimate crochet table runner mats bring a touch of elegance and charm to any dining space with their stylish handmade designs and patterns. These unique pieces showcase the skill and creativity of artisans, featuring intricate stitches and motifs that range from traditional to contemporary, often crafted with high quality yarns in a variety of colors. They can complement any decor from rustic farmhouse to modern chic. The versatility of corset allows for endless possibilities in design, whether it's floral patterns, geometric shapes, or lace-like delicacy, customizable in size and shape. These table runners can fit any table, adding a personalized touch to your dining area. They not only serve as beautiful centerpieces but also protect your table from scratches and splits. Homemade with care, each piece carries a story and add a sense of warmth and authenticity to your home. Perfect for special occasions for everyday use. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.